For factorization, we should always focus on this strategy. We check is there any common factor first. If not, then we check is that the identity format. If not, then we use the last resort, which is the relatively complicated, which is the cross factorization. So in part A, we find a very special thing is 1 and 25 are both square number. So there is a really high chance that it is one of the identity format. M squared minus 10mn plus 25n squared. I wonder whether we can rewrite as this format. Then we try to think what inside will give you m squared. Of course, it's m. And then we focus on the second bracket. What square will give you 25? Of course, it's 5n. So because a and a should be the same, so this should be m and this should be 5n. But this is just a guessing, so we still need to multiply it to check whether negative 10mn can be written in this format. We find that negative 2 times 5 is negative 10, so this is correct guessing. Then we can proceed and then write down. In this case, whenever we can write in this format, then this we can rewrite in this format because they are always the same. So this is something minus something bracket square, which is the first item and the second item. That's how you factorize A. Part B, we have the first exactly the same first three terms. That means we are going to use the result of part A. And then the second part, you may write it further away. And then we have m minus 5n bracket square. These two terms, we have the common factor, so we just need to extract 2. We extract positive 2, so positive 2 divided by positive 2 is positive m. Negative 10 divided by positive 2, we have negative 5n. We find that among these two terms, what inside the bracket are exactly the same. So we are going to extract the common factor again. Whenever I extract common factor, I will put it in left hand side, m minus 5n. And then what is left, I will write vertically below. So the first bracket, there are two brackets together because of this square. We remove one, so still one bracket is left. And the second term, we remove this bracket, only positive 2 is left. Finally, we check whether we can remove this bracket. This bracket outside is nothing, so you just simply remove it and know it. And then we have m minus 5n plus 2 here with no common terms. Before you finish, don't forget to check is there any common factor left inside. If you can still factorize it, then you have the responsibility to factorize it until you can't further factorize.